everybody, welcome to my YouTube. Today is Smart Arts unboxing day for the month of August. So I just got this in the mail. I'm actually in the middle of doing a creation with the Jazzy art box that I just got a couple days ago actually. But it is August. I can't believe it's August already. So I received this in the mail and I'm super excited to see what the project is this month, or the supplies. I actually haven't used last month's yet. I have it sitting right here. I'm waiting to be videoed. I'm a little bit behind. Work has been busy. But let's take a look. So right when you open it, you have a little weekly challenge. They used to have a monthly challenge, now they're weekly, which tells you to complete each weekly challenge found in your brochure, share on social media using hashtag SmartArtWeekly and hashtag SmartArtProject, and you win 50 Peacock points when you complete all 4 challenges. So Peacock points are actually how I bought my Jazzy's art box, because every month when you spend whatever it is you spend, when you purchase your box, you get Peacock points to use to redeem for other purchases. And I have been a member of Smart Art since they started, so I had lots of Peacock points. And then when the Jazzy's art box popped up, I used a $100 gift certificate with points for that. So that was super exciting to use. So definitely great to earn Peacock points as much as you can. So when cool things like that arise, you can use your gift cards for it. So let's see what we have. The wonderful brochure also says complete the weekly challenge, and then it will explain about what's in here, as well as project ideas on the back. This box is full. Ooh, looks like they started doing stickers. Take a look at that. That is so detailed and so pretty. I love it. I'll definitely be using that in an art journal. These are blending stumps, so it looks like we'll probably be using some graphite. Faber-Castell Pitt graphite set. Very nice. Looks like there is water-based varnish. One I can't read. An aquarellite, which actually will draw on anything. I learned that in one of the previous boxes. I actually got a sketch box sent me aquarellite from Generals. This one's from Faber-Castell. A graphite pure pencil. This one, even an eraser and a pencil sharpener. So we'll open that up in a minute. We've got some Marabu fine line graphics, or fine liners graphics pens. Looks like we've got 4 different colors. I can never open this without ripping it. It rips every time. Boxes like this. Do have a couple other Marabu items. I'm wondering if they're the same, and they might be. So it looks like we've got black, green, blue, and red. And we'll swatch this out in a minute, but look at how small that is. So very nice for fine lines. Super cute book. I love it when they send full journals. I actually do a lot of art journals, so having something to put it in is amazing. It's an Art Alternatives journal. It is a 4x6 size, which is actually super cute. I really like that. And then what's left is a temporary tattoo kit. Looks like a real tattoo, easy to use. Tattoo lasts 1 to 2 weeks. And this is by Jacquard. So let's take a look at what's inside this. Very nice. It's a full kit. So in addition to the graphite drawing, we get to draw on ourselves. Full kit. This is a Jaguar. I assume it's the ink. but it's filled with powder. So I bet you that's the henna material. You just need to fill this line with water. So that is neat. Inside here we have transfer cream, as well as a tip and a jar of eucalyptus oil. I don't know anything about temporary tattoos, so this will be super cool, super new for me. Looks like a piece of copy paper, possibly where you do your drawing on, and then transfer the outline. And then these are the instructions. So the instructions tell you exactly what's in there. Fill the applicator bottle, add the eucalyptus oil to the vial, apply it to your skin. Attach fine line tip applicator nozzle to apply to skin as desired. Remove it from the skin by peeling it. And wash with soap and water. Don't be alarmed if you can't see your tattoo at this stage. Oh, remove. Oh yeah, so you apply it and then you remove it. And then it says, don't be alarmed if you can't see your tattoo at this stage. The design will darken into a deep bluish black color over the course of 24 to 48 hours. And the design lasts 1 to 2 weeks. So very cool. This is transfer paper. So you create your design on there. You transfer it to your skin. And then you're done. It'll last 1 to 2 weeks. I will definitely have to figure out a temporary tattoo. Maybe just a ring or something to try out. I wonder how long this stuff lasts once you put the water in. If I have to use it right away or not. Okay, so very cool. Definitely something different I've never seen before. Graphite pencils, all of that, yeah, we've seen before, but Smart Art always does a good job of giving us something new to play with. In this case, I've never really seen them do 2 separate projects, but I'm super excited that they did. I remember I've been getting Smart Art since day 1, so I've gotten all of their kits. So I'm actually going to compare this real quick to one that I got previously. Yeah, these are exactly the same that I already have. So no problem there though. I don't know, I can't tell you if I got them from Smart Art or if I got them from one of the other boxes. So we will just go with it. So let's swatch out what we do have that we can play with now. So this is the black. No, this is the blue. Okay, it's a very dark blue. Green. Very, very fine detail. Nib, I guess. Let's just see the color on that one. Almost a purple blue. It's very pretty. Black. Red. And then I'm going to open these and just let you know exactly what each one is. That is a big pencil. Okay, so obviously pencil sharpener. We're all familiar with that one. This has a big fat pencil sharpener, which will be great for this big fat one, as well as the normal size one. And also a dust-free art eraser. This one's in black, but they're about the same. It is Faber-Castell. The one in the Jazzes box, which I have sitting right here, is also Faber-Castell. It's just in white. Okay, so this is a Faber-Castell 2B jumbo pencil. I tell you, jumbo, how big it is compared to a regular size paper or pencil. So this is the jumbo. And you can use the tip, you can use the edge. It's actually really nice if you have a large spot you're trying to shade in. This is a Pitt Graphite Pure. It's actually pretty hefty compared to the other ones. It's got some weight to it. It's a 6B. It's very dark. Goes on very smooth. Same, you could use the edge. And see, in just light pressure, it's that much darker than the other one. And then it'll have so much more depth to it if you do layers. Next up is the Aquarelle Graphite Pencil. It's in 2B. This one actually doesn't say. It may not be the same, so I apologize. It may not be the same as what I was talking about before, where it draws on anything. So I'll read on that in a second. So there's that. This one is a stick of graphite. It just says Pitt Graphite. Doesn't really say. You can tell that one's a lot blacker. Doesn't really say what it is. Like, is it a 6B? Oh, it does. 6B. It's just teeny tiny. Right there. So it is a 6B. Which is the same as the Graphite Pure. So these two are the same. It's just a matter of what you're more comfortable using. And we'll definitely do a drawing with these. And then this is a water-based varnish Wastrick. I've never seen this before. 2B. Looks like a 2B. 2B or not 2B. But let's try it with, since it said water-based, let's try, see what happens. We add a little bit of water. Okay. Doesn't seem to react any different than most of the other pencils when you use water to it. It does smear it around. This one, however, picks up a lot more of the pigment than most of the other ones do. And that was the Aquarelle, I believe. The rest of them seem to react about the same. This one might pick up a little bit more too. These really don't, other than I have some ink on the pen. So there you go. Now let's read. So we've got, it just tells you what it is in different languages. So in English, that is not English. So jumbo graphite pencil in 2B, a regular graphite pencil in 2B, a graphite aquarelle pencil, water soluble in 2B, a Pitt Graphite Pure Pencil in 6B, a Pitt Graphite Crayon in 6B, so these two. So this is a crayon, dual sharpener, and a vinyl eraser. So let's see what Smart Art has to say about this box. So in this box is Jacquarde Jaqua, which is this. So it tells you all about what they included. So the pit set. So this whole set was $24.95. The fine liner set is $6.99. The tattoo box is $13.99. The sketchbook is $6.15. And the blending stumps is $1.85. And these prices are all according to their pamphlet. I didn't do any research online. I'm sure you can find these for cheaper. But I definitely love the convenience of the Smart Art boxes. So a little bit of project pointers. Says the smoothness of your graphite blending will depend on how smoothly you apply the pencil. It's important to place your pencil lines down slowly and evenly at the very beginning. So it basically tells you how to do a graphite drawing, excuse me. But up here it talks about using the tattoo. So it tells you all about Jacquard and their background, and then it tells you basically about henna tattoos, so how cool, how they started, things like that. And then on the back we have basically the challenge. So it's got an example of what they would do for a challenge. Usually when it's a monthly one, the challenge is to do theirs or one of your own. You don't have to do either. This one actually is a weekly challenge, so it's a little bit different now. But this one we have prompts. What are the prompts? So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. So basically what they're suggesting is you do a drawing. You do it all the way, you put it in your notebook. And then step 5 is, okay, let's put it on your body. Let's make it a tattoo. So that's pretty cool. What I am looking for now is what the prompts are. Oh, right there. In bold, and I missed it. So the prompts for this month, month of August, are jungle, shy, juicy, and galaxy. So this would be a good one for juicy. Jungle, shy, juicy, and galaxy. Just know that if you're going to participate, you don't have to do them in order, or even week by week, but you have to do all 4 by the end of the month to get your points. So there you have it. Let me know what you thought about this kit and what you're going to create. If you did get this one, if you didn't get this one, let me know if it's something that you would get in the future, or if it's just something you're not interested in, maybe. Thanks for joining my YouTube, and as always, if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for joining. Bye.